guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been like 100 years since I have filmed or posted a video. It's been like literally over 3 months, which is really bad. I know. I'm so sorry. I did film a video and it didn't end up working out, so I didn't post that, and that was like a 2-week process, so that kind of sucked. And then I have some news, but I'm going to film that in a separate video just because it's gonna take a minute to like go through all of it. So I'm going to be posting that probably after this one. And then I have like 100 reviews I need to do and like mask try-ons. I have so much stuff that has piled up from just not filming for months. And then obviously like I have, this is what I'm filming today, my Boxy charm. So I will be unboxing this, but my Yumi Twins boxes haven't been coming in. So they finally are almost all here from like since like literally March. So I almost have them all and I canceled it. So yeah. But anyways, that is all not relevant for this video. I just wanted to kind of catch you guys up real quick on everything so that you kind of know. I will be explaining why I haven't posted in so long, and then I have like a bunch of stuff I need to film. I know, I'm so sorry. But I'm back. So let's hope I can get it together. But anyways, let's unbox our August Boxy charm. Let's see what goodies I got. I'm not sure what's going to be in this because I don't really remember any of the pictures I saw. And then I don't know if they posted everything or not. I think there's only one thing I remember and I really want it, and I'm going to be really sad if it's not in here. But if it is, I'm going to be super excited. But let's get into this box. I already don't see it. So here's the little card. And I'm not going to look. I'm just going to stop looking at it. I'm going to open it. It's not in here. I'm so sad. Oh well. Okay, so this is Mud Masky. It's a hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo. 3-in-1 formula, pH balance, repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp, and dandruff control. Well, I don't really have any of these problems, but here's this. This is the packaging. It's kind of weird there's only a shampoo. There's no conditioner to this. What am I supposed to do? Just use any regular conditioner and that's fine with it? Who knew? What is this? Mud Masky. So this is $25.50. This little tube is $25.50. This is 2.5 ounces. What? I would probably not buy this, but I will try it out and see if I like it. I'm kind of confused how it's a mask, a treatment, and a shampoo, but that's cool. Whatever. Like, do I leave it in for like ever? You apply it on your wet hair, massage into scalp and hair, leave on for about 1 minute. 1 minute. That's not gonna do anything. Lies already off the bat. I'll still try it. Let's see if it's open. Can I smell it? No, it's not open. I'm gonna open it. If it smells like, see if it smells like good or something. It does smell good. It smells like freshish, clean. I don't know. It smells good. Alright, well, just because it smells good, I'll probably use it. Let's be real here. Alright, this is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Pore Purifying Cleanser. Look at that little tube. And this is $36. This is a pretty good size tube though. It has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark in it. Fancy. Look at this box. It's all messed up. Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Oh, I could use this. This is a good skin tone for me. I put a really dark one on today and I'm kind of impressed that it doesn't look like complete crap. Like, it's a little dark, but I'm here for it. It works, I feel like, pretty well. I don't know though, but I'll have to try this because I'm sure this is going to be a really good color because it's great for my skin tone since I'm like pale as ever could be. This is $24. Next is Tracy Clay. Is it cool? I don't know. Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Set Essential Set. I'm just like opening it. Do you want to see it? So there's 2 small ones and 2 big ones. This is Tahinian Shimmer. This is an eyeshadow crayon. This is mini brow pencil, an Americano. It's brown. This is a mini blush stick in Moroccan Rose. And this is a mini highlight stick in Maldives Luminescent. That's that color. Can you see that? Focus. Focus. Oh yeah. That looks pretty. This is the blush. Look at this. Oh, that's pink. Like pink. This is the mini, whoa, that's cool shaped. The mini brow. Excuse me. Come out. Color. It's a little stiff, but that's that color. And then this eyeshadow crun. So tiny. Ooh. It's pretty though. Okay, so that's that. That is, it's $42, sorry. And then last but not least is Milk Makeup Diesel Brow Gel. I don't know how dark is this. This is black, not black, but it's dark. Hello, please. So this is a Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Do you see that? It's that one. That's very dark. It might work on my eyebrows though. My eyebrows aren't like super duper light. And that is $20. Calculations are in order here. This box is worth equals $147.50. I'm so sad I didn't get the palette I wanted. I wanted the Essential Violet Voss Essentials pastel palette because I have like the other one that's more like deep toned rainbow, and I was like so stoked because I was gonna be like, oh my gosh, now I got both and they're like opposites of each other and it's so cute. But no, I got no palettes, which I guess is fine, but like that's like my favorite thing other than lips and eyeliner and blush. I don't know, I like it all, but I like getting palettes because they're so much fun, and I need to review like 100 like I said. But yeah, anyways, so that is everything I got. We got eyebrow stuff. We got 2 eyebrow things technically. Eyeshadow, blush, highlight, bronzer, and then face and hair. So that's everything we got in this box. It's probably one of the most underwhelming. I kind of wish I opened last month's on video because I think it was way better, to be honest. I don't remember what I got, and obviously I didn't film it, so I don't know. But I'm pretty sure it was pretty good from what I remember, but I can't fully remember. So that's everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are so close to 200. I know I fell off the face of the earth for the last few months, but I'm back and I plan on staying back. So if you guys would like to see more videos from me, just hit that subscribe button and we will get on it. And then comment below if you guys get BoxyCharm, what your favorite product in your box was. If you got the Essential Violet Voss pastel one, tell me if you got it. Tell me if you like it, because I really wanted that. And I think it would have been bomb. But who knows, maybe not. But yeah, you guys should comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!